Hey everybody, Sci-Fi Molitor here with an update on my God Phoenix from Battle of the Planets, or if you prefer, from Gotchaman. So I finally got the electronics working, and let me show you that. There is an LED here, and that does light up slightly. It's kind of hard to see, but the rear engines are very easy to see. That looks pretty nice. So the issue I had before with it not lighting up is basically it was on the inside of the ship, and I traced it down to this part here where these metal pieces connect to the bottom part of the ship, and I didn't quite, I guess, connect the wires tight enough, because basically you just got to twist them on. So after I redid that, it seemed to work perfectly after that. So what's really neat is with the lighting kit, these are 3mm LEDs, and all the spots where they have to connect, it's like a press fit, so you don't have to glue this, crazy glue it, hot wax it to anything. You just basically press it into the spot where it needs to go, and that's it. So that's really nice. That's haven't seen that before in a kit. So in general, what can I say about the kit? When you decide to go ahead and paint it like I did, the only issue you're going to run into is the fact that the paint gives all the parts a little bit of extra thickness. So the parts, you might need to press a little harder to get them to come together. But once they're together, it's harder to take them apart. So with something like this, I guess the option is, or the thought was, to be able to take apart a few panels and show the extra things that it has, like the spot for the extra vehicles and landing gear. And I found that on this one, it's really iffy to take apart and put back those pieces, because I ended up breaking one of the pieces in here, only because, like I said, the thickness of the part was thicker, so it pressed in, and then when I tried to take it apart, it just snapped off. So I went ahead and glued that, so that's permanent. So I'm not ever going to show the, let's see, Jason's car in here until I buy another kit, which I definitely will, because I want to be able to show it in a couple of different configurations. Also, the middle fin here was really tight fit. I had to actually take a hobby knife and cut away that slot to make room for it to fit in there. And again, that's probably because of the paint. So all in all, this is a beautiful kit. This is like, wow, you know. I am going to end up buying another one, like I said, to show it in different configurations. I haven't painted the vehicles yet. I will soon, and I'll show you that finished thing, but figured I wanted to let you guys see the finished product. I might actually, on one of the other ones I build, I might not use this stand and make my own LED kit, because I think it's going to be kind of neat to show the thrusters here in the back, like in the show when it's doing a vertical takeoff. So I'm going to see if I can light these up and maybe use the landing gear. I don't know, we'll see. I'll figure something out, but something different, so that shows off the vertical takeoff over water or something, you know. That's going to be nice. And I haven't put on the decals yet, so when I do that, I guess I'll show you guys my final touch up. Started putting pencil lines, which don't show up that much, so I guess I'm going to use some Tamiya panel line accent and see how that goes. Kind of shy about using that, because I don't want to give it too much of a weathered look. I do want to bring out the panel lines though. So, and I know in the cartoon, kind of, yeah, there are some spots where it sort of shows it having a little bit of weathering, so, but I don't want to overdo it. So, alright guys, this is it for now until I get the decals on and the small vehicles. But this is a beautiful kit. Absolutely beautiful kit. So if you like this show, you got to get at least one of these. All right, guys. Until next time.